How to allow or disable notifications while using SharePlay or screen mirroring on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now, from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Notifications. Then we go down and tap on Screen Sharing. In here, tap on Allow Notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn off, or tap on it to switch it on. When this is turned on, it will allow notifications while using SharePlay or screen mirroring on the iPhone 16 series. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.